Welcome back to the channel. This is Pro v Am, where an amateur comes in, challenges me to a match, and if they beat me, I give them some sort of prize. Usually it's a lesson or a ball of choice from Storm or Rotogrip, but today we have the best two-handed amateur in Las Vegas, Ari Wilson.
What's up, everybody?
His prize, I've got a couple of Storm/Rotogrip gems that I brought with me.
Trying to get my hands on them.
If he beats me, I will give them to him for free. And if not, then I'm just gonna ask for a couple of balls in return because that's what we do. We actually have a short on the channel where he shot 300 and it got like 2 million views. So this guy's already famous. You already know he's the best two-hander in Vegas.
We'll see.
All right, let's get it.
Let's go, bro.
Ari is elected to go first. I will go second.
Get this bad bowling out the way.
He's got brand new bowling balls, so if he doesn't perform well, he's just not used to the equipment. Yeah, I think he's gonna be all right. I'm gonna throw this ball. I don't think we're bowling on a house shot, so they're not super easy. I'm also working on throwing it a little harder. That wasn't very hard. Oh, this is gonna be the first of a 2-game set. 2 separate videos. We're bowling fairly standard right now. I haven't shot a spare all day, but stay tuned for the next video where we're gonna switch it up. Ah! Ah, so free here. Just hit the one in the front. If you ever come to Gold Coast, just hit the one in the front. Can you imagine? He's the guy that shoots 300 in our short, and then he shoots 300 right here. Hi-ya! I also forget to mention, I've been bowling for an hour and 45 minutes, and half the time I was throwing everything. Woo.
Ouch.
The black one would have struck. I think I got the lefts out of my system. Am I throwing the black at Nationals? Absolutely. I'm gonna guess that it's 38 feet, fairly flat, maybe 3 to 1. Like, they're not super hard, but you can't really get in and hook it. 2! Wow, you need one of those ices. Those ices go pretty straight.
I definitely need one.
I'm gonna give this ball one more chance, and then I'm gonna throw the black ball. Oh, that's in the gutter.
All right.
Maybe that is the cheater ball. Oh, what else can we talk about? What has Ari done? Regional champion, 2 titles. Not a member though. That's a strike. All right, it's a healthy display of high-level bowling. We got some strikes and some spares. What other accomplishments? Have you ever won the TAT?
No, I had the round right before the top 5 out of every division.
So you gotta keep finishing high, but not win so you can keep bowling.
I got the Rotogrip challenge.
Rotogrip challenge, that's a good check. Oh no! Okay, I'm done, I'm switching.
I needed some help right there. Yeah, we did.
Bull heads up?
Yep, one-handed house balls.
Action?
$100 a game.
100 a game?
And we was going back and forth.
That's bold. Jesse challenged you.
I mean.
Oh. Yeah, but still.
The commanding lead is if you went double spare. Like, that was a commanding lead.
Double spare. Even if I throw gutters, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
Ah.
Brooklyn to take the lead. Yep. All right, time for the black ball. I'm also breaking in some new thumbs, so that's my excuse. Close. Ooh.
Boom. Push.
Oh, they're finally breaking down a little bit. I don't remember where I stood.
See it?
Help. I got him in the next match. Is this a 2-game total or just separate matches? Oh no! Oh.
I have a chance.
I need some help. See guys, I can pick up spares. I can. It is possible. Oh!
There's the help.
Ooh, right back. Pablo Torre. Good count. Are you missing the purple yet?
Right now? No comment, maybe, possibly.
Probably pretty good
when
right
I go
now.
home, it's gonna look at me.
Catch.
Oh, here we go.
Every time I come back, I get that little tilty hand position. It's like tilty forward. It takes me about a week to get my hand back through it. I wish I was just physically gifted and I could do whatever I want to the bowling ball whenever I want. No matter how long I take off. Hard work beats talent every time. Quote unquote Matt O'Grady.
See it?
Wheel? Ah, that's the one. That ball's nice. It's not too often I'm gonna say my one-handed balls strike more than my two-handed balls, but I think this is gonna be one of those balls. Oh no.
Almost.
It's not dialed. Just get warmed up. He's like, I don't need to talk shit. He's bowling terrible.
My spare right there, it's an easy match. I don't know what these balls do yet. I'm humbled right now.
Yeah, you can't just off the hand walk away and
No,
be like,
none of that.
yeah. If he strikes here, I'm in trouble. Oh! No.
See? I'm
All
humbled.
right. One left and dial it down just a touch. Boom!
And that was pretty good right there.
Okay, there you go. No need to get the panties in a bunch. We're still right there. 2 game total, we got time. Oh, that's a tough spare too. As far as score is concerned, I'm bowling about as good as I could possibly bowl without throwing a double. Is it nice? Oh. The most impossible spare on tour. I think there's high tie potential here. Oh, that's left. Gary. Oh. I wanted to get my two-handed warm-up in for the next game. Well, guys, it's 2 ways to get to 190. That's left again. Whew. I said high tie potential. It said not today. All right, guys, I got a 1-pin lead over Mr. Ari, the best two-hander in Las Vegas. They are pretty tough, so don't let the scores fool you. We missed a little bit left. Not sure if it's gonna hold, not sure if it's gonna hook. I kind of messed the lanes up a little bit prior to coming. I threw a lot of two-handed shots. A little bit of foreshadow might be in the next video. 1-pin lead. Thanks, Ari, for coming out. Check out the next video to see if he takes home these 2 brand new bowling balls.